Hello, good people, and welcome to Finest Skills Hub. Here, we learn, we connect, and we grow. It's been an amazing year in 2021, and I would like to take this opportunity to thank you, our followers and our connections, for watching our training videos all throughout the year. We appreciate your audience. To my fellow MVPs and members in the Microsoft community, thank you so much for the insights and support throughout the year. We are grateful. I'd like to leave you with this little present of a dancing Christmas tree I created in Microsoft Excel. Join me in Excel and let's go through this in 5 minutes. So I'll start off with creating the column width. I'll highlight column C and D, Alt HOW, and set this to 15. Now with this done, I'm going to put 100 in each cell and then highlight from this point all the way to the 19th row. Then I'm going to add in increasing order 1000 to these numbers, and I have something like this. Okay, so this is going to give me the left part of my tree, and this is going to give me the right part of my tree. I'm going to do this using data bars in conditional formatting. So first, I'm going to highlight this part, go to conditional formatting, data bars, and then I'm going to choose more rules. So while I'm here, the first thing I'm going to do is to check the show bar only, and then to make my bars consistent, I'm going to change this maximum part to a formula, and the formula is going to read equal to max, open brackets, and then I'll highlight this range. Okay, and then I'll close this. I'll copy this because I will use this again. Okay, the left part of my Christmas tree is going to be green and is going to move from right to left. Okay, so this completes that part. If I click OK, I get something like this. I'm going to repeat the same process for the second part. So I'll highlight this, conditional formatting, data bars, more rules, the same process, show bar, formula is going to be what I copied, and then this is going to be red, and the direction is going to be the default context. So I'll click OK, and I've now created my Christmas tree. Now let's decorate it a bit. So I'm going to highlight this, go back to conditional formatting, and then in icon sets, let me throw in some stars. Okay, so I'll throw in some stars, and I need to set the order of my conditional formatting. So I'll go back to conditional formatting, now manage rules, and then push this one down. Okay, and then I'll apply and OK. Now I need to make the stars converge at the middle. So while I'm here, I'll go back to manage rules and then edit this one. So edit rule, show icons only, and then I'll click OK and OK. So with this, I'm now able to get the stars to move in. So this one would move in like that. Okay. Now I'm going to put a dark background around this. So I'll just, for effect, put in a dark background to make it come out. And then left to the dancing part, what I'm going to do is highlight this part, and then in here I'm going to put in a run between formula between 1 and 5,000. Okay, and then I'll hit enter. So with this, if I press F9, you realize that I'm now able to animate my Christmas tree, and this is my little present to you. So let me add my wish. So from all of us at Finest Skills Hub, we'd like to wish you a Merry Christmas and a fruitful New Year. Thank you so much.